Thi Guff by G. Morrison. The Hieland koe, he looked through a growth that covered his een. For through a park creeped in a dark a guff and looking so keen. He was looking for sheep, the guffy creep, to satisfy his need. But the koe he kent fit as guffy mint, and it got the koe gan read. The guff he stripped, 'cause a sheep he had nipped, to do as mucky deed. Hieland koe he enough, and tin after it guff, with his hair blown back with speed. The koe he seen fine, guffy's hairs did moonshine, het target stuck out and so clear. Its horn get a houk, recht up guffy's dope, 'cause its horn was as sharp as a spear. Please put me down, 'cause your horn is all brown, and I've learnt my lesson in echt. I'll never chase sheep, and I ken him a creep, and your horn it feels of it techt. So the guffy was flung, and he lawn it in dung. Hieland koe says the guff serves you recht. Guff picked himself up, and was chased by a top, with his drawers at his feet for that secht.